Hi viewers, welcome to Shami Cooking Mantra. Sometimes in fridge we will not be having enough vegetable to cook and it won't be available or so many problems will be there. We don't feel like cooking. In that case, if something is available which is homemade curry, it's very useful for us and we don't feel like it's having chemical or it is a ready made. So we are going to make a curry which is a homemade bottled curry using sundaka, that using turkey berry. So we are not going to use any artificial flavors or any preservative, nothing. But it will be there for you in fridge for more than 2 months, and if you keep it outside also more than 10 to 15 days you can have it. If you keep more oil, add more oil and then preserve it, it will be there for about 1 month. It's very good for health. Actually, turkey berries are so good. It controls diarrhea. It is good for kidney, and it is good for diabetic. It is good for digestion. It is good for heart. So many good qualities it has. Because it is bitter, it has good qualities, and it helps in your immune system. To begin with, we need to make a powder. This spice powder, you can store it and keep it for another curries also, for whenever you're doing sambar or any other puli korambu or kara korambu, anything. You can add 1 or 2 spoons of this powder. This is very good, and I am going to make a powder for this curry. And this powder is not only taste good, but also it's good for health. Whatever I use in sambar powder, also I use more methi seeds, which are good for health. Like that, I am going to use stuff or ingredients which are good for health and which is also tastier. To a pan, add 5 spoons of urad dal and fry it, that is roasted without oil, and it should not be roasted more. So it has to turn little reddish, then you can take it out. If you are taking 5 spoon of urad dal, then you need to take 5 spoon of coriander seeds. So dry roast this coriander seeds. Then add 3 spoons of methi seeds, and for 1 minute. It should not get so much roasted, then it will become bitter. Then add 3 spoons of sesame, black sesame is preferable, and then 2 spoons of mustard seeds. When it gets splattered, you can remove it from the stove and then add it to urad dal to make it cool. And then to the pan, add 5 to 10 dried chilies. Roast it, and then when it becomes little brown, when the color changes, then add 2 spoons of peppercorns. Roast it and then add it to the urad dal mixture and let everything cool, and then you need to make it as a fine powder. Take a half a cup of sundaka, that is turkey berry, and then add oil to a pan. About you need about 7 to 8 spoons of oil, a minimum. To preserve it, we need more oil, so we need to add at least 8 spoons of oil, and I am going to add more oil after it is ready. So add oil and then add the turkey berry. Let it become roasted. When it is 75% done, add mustard seeds. And then hing as a foodita, half a spoon, or you can add even 1 spoon. And then tamarind extract. We need to add about a tomato size of tamarind to this, or more than that also. It depends on your taste. Extract the tamarind and then add to this. Add half a spoon of turmeric powder and 1 spoon of pepper powder, or you can add 2 spoons, which is optional. If you want to avoid pepper powder, you can avoid it. Add the spice, whatever we have blended, that is the powder, about 5 to 6 spoons, or even more than that. If you need water, you can add. So let everything cook together. If you want oil, you can add, and let it cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. Keep it in sim and keep it for 25 minutes minimum. Let it reduce. Add salt. See to that this sundaka will be a salted one, so you need to add little salt. And add oil, and then after it gets cool, you can keep it in a bottle. Enjoy this sundaka vatakorambu and have it and try and comment to Shami Cooking Mantra, and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.